Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 11.3 question number 13. A circular flower bed is surrounded by a path of 4 meter wide. The diameter of the flower bed is 66 meter. What is the area of this path? Right? Take pi is equal to 3.14. Let us find. Let us find. Here you see the diameter of this circle is 66 meter. Right? Therefore, if I find first the area of this circle, right? Then you have to find the area of this path, right? That means you have to find the area of the bigger circle minus area of the smaller circle to get this area of the path, right? Let us solve. Suppose diameter of the smaller circle, diameter of the smaller circle, diameter of the smaller circle, diameter of the smaller circle. Diameter is equal to 66 meter. 66 meter. Therefore, radius of the smaller circle. Therefore, radius of the smaller circle of the smaller radius of the smaller circle is equal to 66 by 2 meter, and that is equal to 33 meter. This is the radius of the smaller circle, this circle, right? We'll find the area of this circle. Therefore, area of this circle is, suppose we have taken here, suppose this one is, we have taken, let us take this radius from here to here, this radius be taken as small r, and the radius of the bigger circle, let us take this as capital R, right? I will find the area of the bigger circle minus area of the smaller circle, right? Now here you see the path is 4 meter wide. That means here it is 4 meter. Here it is 4 meter, and this is also 4 meter. 4 meter. Therefore, diameter of the bigger circle is 66 plus 4 plus 4, right? Therefore, diameter of the bigger circle. So we can write that the diameter of the bigger circle diameter of the bigger circle, the diameter of the bigger circle is equal to 66 plus 4 plus 4, that is 66 plus 4 plus 4 meter. That comes to 66 plus 4, 70 plus 4, 74 meter is equal to 74 meter. 74 meter. Therefore, you can find, therefore, radius of the bigger circle, radius of the bigger circle, radius of the bigger circle. Radius of the bigger circle is equal to, suppose this is capital R and this radius of the smaller circle, suppose this is small r, right? Therefore it is 74 by 2 meter, and that comes to 2 3 is 6, 2 6 is 12, 36 meter. 36 meter. Now area of the path, therefore area of the path, area of the path, area of the path, area of the path, area of the path is equal to area of bigger circle minus area of smaller circle. So area of area bigger circle, area of bigger circle, area of bigger circle minus area of smaller circle, minus area of smaller circle, area of smaller circle. Now if we take the radius as bigger capital R, therefore area of bigger circle will be pi r square, capital R square, and minus area of smaller circle will be pi small r square, right? So if we take pi as common, pi, then we can get capital R square minus small r square, right? Or you can write it here as the value of pi is 3.14, and value of capital R is 36, that is 36 whole square, 36 whole square minus r square is, the smaller one is 33 square, 33 square, right? If you use the formula a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b, then we will get 3.14 into a plus b into a minus b, the 36 plus 33 into 36 minus 33, that is, we have used the formula a square minus b square equal a plus b into a minus b, right? Therefore we are getting 3.14 into 36 plus 33, that is 6 plus 3 is 9, 3 plus 3 is 6, 69 into 36 minus 33 is equal to 3. If we multiply all these things, all these numbers, that is 69 into 3, 69 multiplied by 3, then we will get 3 9 is 27, 2 is 7, 3 6 is 18, 19, 20, 207. If we multiply 3.14, multiply it by 3.14, 3.14, 4 7 is 28, 2, it is 8, 4 0 0, that is 2, 4 2 is 8, this is obviously 8, right? Cross 1, that is 7, 0, 2. If we cross this one, then 3 7 is 21, carry 2, here it is 1, 3 0 2, and 3 is 6. Then we are getting, here it is 8, 7 plus 2 is 9, 8 plus 1 is 9, 2 plus 2 is 4, it is 6, right? And the point will be 2 places, 649.98. Therefore the answer is, that is, comes to 649.98 649.98 meter square, right? Is the area of the path. Hence the area of the path, 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 area of the path, hence the area of the path, hence the area of the path is 649.98 meter square. This is meter square. 649.98 meter square. This is the answer. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.